Hi there, Aucto support team here. Today I'm going to be walking you through how to create and request to launch a buy now listing. So your first step is going to be to sign into your Aucto ARS account. The domain is Aucto.com/ARS. Your next step is going to be to come to your virtual warehouse. All of your assets that you've ingested previously will live here. And then you'll start selecting the assets that you're looking to sell. So if we want to start with this Ford pickup truck, we'll check the box next to the title and then come down to this blue Move to Disposition button. We'll select this Marketplace tab, check the box, and select this orange Move to Disposition button. Confirm that you want to move one asset to the Marketplace. Select Confirm. And now your asset has been removed from the available status and is now under the Marketplace status. This does not mean that it's been launched to the live marketplace. It just means that you've approved it for sale. Your next step is to request to launch your buy now listing. So we're going to come to the top, the sell header, select assets, and all of your approved assets are going to be underneath the ready for sale section. Check the box next to the asset that you're looking to sell. And then come down to this blue Sale button. It's going to ask you how you want to sell your assets. For today's demonstration, we're going to select Buy Now. And we'll go through this 3-step form, the listing details, select the payment currency, the duration. So we have a preset 60, 80, or 100 business days. We'll start with 60 as an example. And then your listing contacts. So listing contacts can update the listing settings. They also receive messages from our buyers that are reaching out with the associated listing. So you'll have the creator contact. If you wanted to add an additional contact, select this button and search for a user. Once selected, hit continue. The sales, removal, and inspection terms will be preset for you. Feel free to review. If you have any questions or want to make amendments to the terms, reach out to your dedicated account executive. Once reviewed, select Continue. We'll need the Buy Now price set. If it isn't already preset, enter that information in here. If it doesn't allow you to do that, please reach out to your dedicated account executive. Now that we've updated the Buy Now price, we're going to go ahead and select this Request Aucto Review. It's just going to ask you to confirm if you're sure you want to request a review and publish this asset. Check the box here and enter a submission note. Once your submission note is entered, select Request Review. A request has now been sent to our data team. They'll review your request, and if they have any questions before launching, the account executive team will reach out to get those questions answered. If you have any questions about any of your assets that you're looking to launch, feel free to reach out to your dedicated account executive or support team.